Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Kia Sorento 2.2 diesel KX2. 2 owners from new, 59,000 miles, registered September 2011, parking sensors, full leather, automatic. So what we'll do is start with the front and then we'll go around, taking down the line of the car. All in good. Privacy glass, as you can see. All the bumper corners in good condition. As you see, it's the CRDI KX2. Parking sensors on the rear, as you can see. Again, rear bumper corner, all in good condition. 59,000 miles, 2 owners. Just serviced, just MOT'd. Needs a bumper bracket there, which we're going to get to hold it in. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is going to take you inside this Sorento. I'm going to start with the engine bay. So have a good look round. These cameras can get into places where you just can't see. So there's the engine bay. Said 59,000 miles, 2 owners from new. Great MOT history report sheet. So here we've got the driver's side door card. So as you can see, electric windows all the way around, central locking, electric door mirrors and the folding in, electric petrol cap, your 4-wheel, your diff lock, you've got your multi-function steering wheel, you've got all your stereo, CD, aircon. Best bit about it is the automatic. You've got your AUX as well, you've got your heated seats, you've got full leather. All the headline is in great condition as well. Rear of the car, so driver's side rear door card, all in great condition. Carpets are in great condition. You've got central armrests, headrests all the way around. And you've got 7 seats as well, as you can see. Taking you to the boot area, nice touch. This again, as cars get older they tend to get lost, but you've got the rear parcel shelf there. You've got all this that's not marked. It tells you that it's not been working hard, it's not been used as a truck or anything. Passenger side rear door card. All in good condition. As I said, it's just been serviced, it's just been MOT'd. As I said again, it's got a great MOT history report sheet. Lovely miles, 2 owners. Registered September 2011. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038270. Give me a thumbs up on the video, see if you like it or not. Give us a call, more importantly. Come and book a test drive, come and speak to me. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.